Want your sticky notes to follow you wherever you work. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync sticky notes across your devices using your Microsoft account. So your notes stay updated whether you're on another Windows computer or using Microsoft apps that support sticky notes. Start by opening Sticky Notes from the Start menu. If you already have Notes on your desktop, simply open the app or the Notes list to access your account settings. To sync your notes, you'll need to sign in with a Microsoft account. Select the profile icon or account option inside Sticky Notes, then sign in using the same Microsoft account that you'll use on your other devices. After signing in, Sticky Notes normally starts syncing your notes automatically. So make sure your device is connected to the internet and give the app a few moments to upload your existing notes to your Microsoft account. Now open Sticky Notes on another supported Windows device and sign in with the same Microsoft account. After synchronization finishes, your saved notes should appear automatically. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to view synced notes through Microsoft OneNote. To avoid sync issues, always use the same Microsoft account on every device. Keep Sticky Notes updated through Windows Updates or the Microsoft Store, and make sure you have an active internet connection whenever you want changes to sync. And that's how to sync Sticky Notes across your devices. Once everything is connected, your notes are available almost anywhere you need them, making it much easier to stay organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.